All right, this is Alexander Taylor representing for 876 Stream, the official marketing partners for the Jamaica Football Federation, specifically their campaign for the 2026 World Cup. And, you know, subscribe to Edivision TV um, and go watch him content.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host, Eddie Guna. Alright, so top reggae boy scout, or you want to call him recruiter, has obviously been making a lot of waves. He's doing an extremely good job linking Jamaica and players from the diaspora. He's responsible for numerous players being added to the team, whether it be from the UK or America. So he's top man, doing a lot of good work, and I won't call his name, but persons know, if you know, you know. Now, he's a man with a lot of links and, respect in the football fraternity. And he's linked with a lot of players, a lot of agents. And hence, he's a very important man if you're looking to build your national team, if you're looking to build your squad. Now, he's been doing all this good work without the JFF, as in he's not being paid. He's doing this simply out of the love for football and the love for Jamaica. Now, he's been getting a lot of interest from Concacaf rivals. So other countries are aware of the work that he's doing and would like to tap into their diaspora players. But it's not only about tapping into that talent. You have to know who is eligible to play for your country, who is good enough. You should be able to get a database of players to target. Now, countries want to employ this top scout to work for them, to get players. One thing for certain, we cannot lose these type of people. Persons that are willing to go above and beyond to try and lure players or recruit players, to get that one step closer to playing for Jamaica. And what we don't want is for this scout to move on to what might appear to be greener pastures. Trinidad and Tobago and Suriname are eager to sign Jamaica's top scout. We cannot afford for the likes of Trinidad and Tobago and Suriname to use up the services of this top scout and bolster their team. It already is a dogfight for the World Cup for 2026. Teams will want to get better. Teams will be looking for ways of getting better. So, will our top scout jump ship and go and scout for two of our Concacaf rivals? What say you in the comment section below? Well, for me, this won't happen anytime soon. But persons like these we should be given a lot of credit, and the JFF doesn't seem to be giving the scout a lot of credit. You know what I mean? Even though when they want a player, they say, hey, we need a left back, we need a right back. Try and get us a defensive midfielder. But as of today, he's not an official scout for the national team. So he's been doing the work, getting players, all for nothing. But again, it's a love for country and love for the team. So Reggae Boy fans, what say you? Should the scout get the recognition that he truly deserves? Should he take the offer and help Trinidad and Tobago or Suriname? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching, and always remember to like, share and subscribe.